In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace an outer mirror on a Grand Cherokee. To remove the panel, we're going to open up the two connectors right here. There's little covers. Take a small screwdriver, pop that cover open. You can see, you can hold that plastic cover aside, 7mm socket, and we're just going to back that screw off. Just get it right out of there. So now the inner handle, we're going to open that up and take this plastic cover out. Phillips screwdriver, we're going to take this screw right out. Set it aside. So now we're going to disconnect that main power switch. Just take a trim tool, pop it up, and basically disconnect that electrical connector. You can pop that red safety tab up like that, and push down on the gray tab, and disconnect it. Now with the trim tool, we're going to take the side panel and we're just going to start pushing these clips, the lock clips that are in there, out. Find where the clip is and pull out. You're going to have to go all the way around and do this. There we go. Now we can really grab it and pull. So the top will just come out forward towards you. I want to disconnect this little tab right here. Push in, push it down. Now we can set this aside. So now that the panel's gone, you can access the mounting for this rearview mirror. And one of the things you're going to do is take a trim tool and take this little tab off. Then you can just follow this plastic right around and discard it. I don't need to take it all the way off because you can access this right there. If you want to take it all the way down, take it all the way down. As you can see, the speaker is connected right here. So we're going to squeeze the tab that's in the back and pull that out. So this right here, disconnect that cable. Now we can let this piece hang down. Now I'm going to follow the wire for the mirror. It goes into this module. So I have a little black tab on the bottom. I'm going to push up on that and pull that out. Remember, it's the one closest to the white. There's a 1 and a 2, so we just pulled it out of number 2. And here we have 3 mounting screws, so we're going to get our socket and take those out. So these mounting bolts are an 8mm or probably a 5/16 would fit socket. I'm going to leave that one like that. Discard the 2 bottom, set them aside. And now I'm going to hold that mirror, take the top one off. Set it aside. Now I can just grab that mirror and just wiggle it out. Follow that wire right out and pull it out. Now I have my new mirror. I'm going to bring it right through. Start that wire right through that. Pull that through. And now line up my 3 mounting bolts. You can see them trying to poke through a little bit here. There's one. There we go. You can squeeze that little cushion. You feel that trying to seat itself. Start the mounting nuts. Snug them up. So the mounting nuts torque spec is 60 inch-pounds. 8mm socket. And now we can take our plug and plug it right in that module. So now we're going to put our top trim piece on. push that little clip in, and it kind of like locks in. You'll see how it kind of goes in on the inside. See this lip right here? You want to put this lip on the inside of that trim. There we go. It's going to go up and over the top. Same thing. Follow it all the way over. So you're going to pull that mirror wire out and around right there. Don't go under the plastic. Make sure it's on the outside and click it in. So we have to connect this connector right there. That lock. Make sure that your lock button is through that little opening. Like that. And what you're doing is lining up these pins right there with the hole. And you have to start from one side. It's not like a normal, what I find a normal interior door panel. And then you've got to work your way around slowly. You really have to line each one up. So just keep checking periodically, make sure that harness is up through for that window switch. So right in here was that little Phillips screw. And that has this plastic cover, which you can see the design of it. This goes right in that way. Click right in. So this is the screw with the 7mm socket. Yeah, it could be kind of challenging. There we go. The angle of this, you can't even use any power tools. Perfect. And then just take that little clip, cover, snap it down. Now we can put our main window switch on, line up the locks and the pins, slide it on, locks. I have the red lock right here. Snap that in place. Just push it down. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.